Hey guys, so my mom has an art show this weekend, so I spent the last couple days making some designs for the plasma table. And since mine's not hooked up yet, I'm gonna go use hers and get some stuff cut out. So I'll take you on the journey. And we made it, so we will head into the plasma shop and get started. Bet you're wondering how I'm going to run PlasmaCam software on a MacBook. Well, I run a program here called Parallels, which allows me to run Windows 11 on my Mac. So, I'm going to get some stuff loaded on my SD card and get it transferred over to this machine. Set up with the rest of these. Camera's about to die, but I just need to get all my parts picked up. Well, now we're out in the shop, and it's kind of a total mess, but what are you gonna do? So, the camera died on me, as you can see, but I got a whole box of parts, and, well, I gotta get the mill, not the mill scale, but all the cutting slag off, and I think I'm going to try this. So I'm going to put this on time warp and start cleaning these parts. So I'm sure you'll see me. So that's what it looks like so far. So let's make a bunch more.